go from losing to twinning?
You're right, we do make a terrible team.
Find out on an all-new Thunderbins tomorrow at 8, followed by an all-new Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and
Lord. Maine State Police is asking for assistance in locating an abducted child, last seen at Broadway Park in the city of Bangor. The child is described as 4-year-old Gabrielle Taylor, white female with blonde hair and blue eyes, 3 feet 1 inch tall, weighs 31 pounds. Description of clothing is unknown. Taylor is believed to be in the company of her custodial father, who is described as 29-year-old Joshua Rank, white male with brown hair and brown eyes, 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighs 142 pounds, and was last seen wearing blue jeans and a red and white sweatshirt. The child and suspect are believed to be traveling in a 2008 Chevrolet Malibu with Maine license plate 4226ER. The suspect has been previously apprehended for multiple assault charges, domestic violence, and illegal substance use. The child should be considered to be in extreme danger. If you have any information about the suspect or the child, please call the Maine State Police in Bangor at 207-973-3700 or dial 911.